I ran a video yesterday in which I kind of shared with you that I had found a diamond mine, and with the help of Samantha, my AI agent, and I wanted to share my success and offer you the opportunity to participate in it as well. And in the comments, in the video, I made the statement that I don't need the money, and I'm building it for my family, and I wanted to share the opportunity. And an individual, George, Jorge, made the comment that I don't need any more cash. I got more money than I could ever use. Turns around and tries to squeeze more money out of the less fortunate Americans. You, sir, are full of it. That was George's comment to me relative to my comment. And it's a point well taken. But then it was followed up by a comment from Bullet 9336. Yes, Kerry is full of it, full of good information to make you a lot of money. And what he asks is a cheap price to pay every month. Hell, he lets you look at it for free for a number of days, and if you don't think it's worth it, then cancel. For example, last Friday and this Monday, I made over 140K. That's what he said, 140K both days, and I'm already up over 40K, and it's only 11:30 a.m. today. I have made over $3 million, and most of that was following Kerry. So stop complaining and look at what he offers. Or continue to do nothing but complain and miss the chance of maybe a lifetime for you and your family. Have a great day, sir. That's from Bull. Obviously, Bull is working with a fair sum of money. He's using the numbers. He's somewhere around 2 million or more that he has invested, and that just goes to show what I preach is that the key is to build money, build an asset base, and then put that money to work for you, so your money can make you money. The millionaires have, it's funny when you see them on CNBC or whatever, and they talk about, yeah, I'm now a trillionaire. I mean, the money just compounds so grossly that it separates those who have from those who don't have, and then those who don't have think you should just share it with them, even though you're not even willing to put forth the effort. And I don't want to downplay people. What I want to share with you is what is possible and what I have learned. And I wish I had learned it 60 years ago, but I didn't. But all I can do at this point is share the knowledge I have now, and hopefully you can pick up on it. Because the wealth divide is just getting bigger. I mean, Elon, we were just announced, is the first individual trillionaire on this earth. And they're going to be coming fast and furious. So if these people are making these massive amounts of money, you have to know it's possible. What you have to figure out is how you participate. And I have said many times, there's a limited number of ways you can become a millionaire, then a billionaire, and now a trillionaire. And the first one is the luck of a birth canal. Well, I missed out on that, and I suspect you did too. Your mother wasn't a billionaire. The second is at the altar. You marry a individual who is a billionaire, and you start to share with it. The third is to become an entrepreneur, to come up with a product or service that the world can't live without. And you use that product and service to grow your wealth into massive amounts. Well, the only other way is to invest in that entrepreneur. And it's really quite easy now that we have the internet so that we can go into their books, we can examine their financials, and we can determine what they're doing. And if we got good sense to understand business, we can recognize a diamond when we see it. Okay? Once we do that, we then compound that to where our money starts making us more money than we can ever make renting our time. Because that's the only other way to make a living, is to rent your time for whatever your employer can get your time for. The more educated you are, the better, the more you can make. But what I have discovered with the help of Samantha, my AI agent, that I can double my money in a year. I did it last year, 151.2%, and thus far this year, 46.8%, and we're at about the halfway mark. So I believe, particularly if this war gets settled, it's a no-brainer. Because the world is changing so dramatically that if I can figure out who's leading that change and who's going to deliver me the products and services that I will not live without, and you will not live without, and I can understand what I own because all the knowledge is available to me, then I'm going to become wealthy. Now, I rent the picks and shovels so that you can find the mine and recognize the diamonds for $75 a month. You can come through the description, come to my website. I'll explain it to you. I'll give you 7 days to take a look at it, and then you decide, is this an opportunity I want to take advantage of, or am I just going to keep doing what I've been doing? And you've got to understand, why am I putting the $75 price tag on it? Because I don't want everybody knowing what I know. Because if everyone knows, I don't have the advantage. You don't have the advantage. Once everybody knows how to do this, no one has the advantage. Everybody will be buying the same stocks at the same time and selling the same stocks at the same time. So nobody will make any money. So when I charge you $75 a month, what you should be saying is, thank you. Thank you for putting a gate up so that I can become wealthy. Because if I don't, then it becomes a social program and nobody makes any money. I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. I'm a diamond miner. Come join the fun. Come sit like Bullet did and watch himself make, what did he say, $3 million in the last year? I made over $3 million, and most of that was following Kerry. $3 million just by investing what you've got. Did that turn a light on? I certainly hope so.